isolation is the foundation, is the key ingredient. When I look at the data and I put on my scientist hat and I look at the data and I listen to the Surgeon General talk about how isolation has a negative effect on the body, so much so that it's the equivalent of smoking 15 cigarettes a day. And when you start looking at high schools today, they're introducing the Yonder pouches to dissuade kids from using their cell phones and so forth. When you are out in the community and when you're working with when you're advocating for mental health and you're advocating for overall health, what are you seeing with regards to isolation?
I think we're seeing more of an increase in children not just being connected with one another, having a hard time, looking each other in the eye and making personal connections. And even just speaking with their adults in their life, they have a hard time connecting with them. And I think with the increase of phones, the increase of iPads, we're seeing that there is a lack of that communication.